Well, this is the freebie, our card display easel freebie. There's not much to it, so there's not really an assembly video. You just cut it out and then fold it on the score line like that. And then it sits up and it will hold a greeting card. You can either landscape or portrait mode. I'm sure it would hold something about 5 by 7, but I'm not quite sure how much larger it would get. But it's free. It's simply CraftySVGs.com, and it will fall over. It's good to use a heavier cardstock for it. But that's it. You could use it if you want to do photos or whatever you want to use it for. It's something I've used in the past and it comes in handy. So I hope you enjoy this freebie, and thank you so much for watching.